Hey guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to file an IRS extension form 4868. The first thing we're going to do is Google the form, and it's likely going to be that first link at the top, the PDF. And here it is. It's 4 pages, but really most of it is just instructions. The actual extension is just this little part right here, form 4868. You can print it out or find a fillable version. And all we're going to do is enter in your information. So name, address, town, state, zip, social security number. And if you are filing joint, this is where you would also enter your spouse's SSN. And then on the other side here, this is where you would insert your estimates. If you haven't done so already, you can just enter zeros here or leave it blank if you want from lines 4 through 7. And then if you're outside of the country, line 8, you would check that off. IRS has its own definition of out of the country, and you could look at that in the instructions here. But that's it. So once you fill that out, you can go through the instructions again. Here's the section here on the left that gives the definition for what it means if you are out of the country, and likely if you live and work outside of the US, that would be the main thing that qualifies you. And that would be it. So once we scroll down here, there's more instructions, and then it's going to tell you how to make a payment and then also where to file and make that payment. So it breaks it up by where you live, by what state, and then if you are making a payment or if you're not. So if you're outside of the US and not making a payment, it's going to Austin. And if you are making a payment, go to Charlotte. And yeah, you just follow along based on the state in which you reside. So that's it. That's the 4868 when it comes to how to file it. The important thing about the 4868 is that this extends the time to file your tax return from April 15th to October 15th, but it doesn't extend the time to pay taxes. So if you do have a balance owing on your tax return, that's still going to be due April 15th, but the time to file it will be October 15th. So if you do wait to pay your taxes owing until October 15th, you won't have a late filing penalty, but you will have a late payment penalty. So that's important to make note of. And then for this year, for tax year 2019, filing your returns in 2020, because of the whole COVID-19 pandemic, taxes are now due July 15th instead of April 15th. And that's an automatic extension up till that time. We don't need to file a form to get that extension. But if we want to extend it up to the October 15th deadline, we still need to file this 4868. So better safe than sorry. It's absolutely free to do. So why not take the 5 seconds out of your day and get this sent off to buy yourself some extra time, especially if you're uncertain as to when you're going to be able to complete your taxes. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave you some insight and some knowledge on how to do this yourself. Please drop a like and consider subscribing for more tax information. Take care, guys.